So this 90 is bogging out. So yeah, it's not getting fuel, I think. I think the float's stuck. I think the float's stuck in a way that it's not letting any gas get in. So the first thing is to disconnect the fuel hose, and gas will start spewing out, so be ready. Okay, I got that off. If you just so then you take this part out, but you try to get the dirt off. So you unscrew it, then it pulls out. Now you have to take these off and also try to get dirt off of there. And there's another bolt on the other side. So the carburetor should come off if you get those out. And if you tip it, gas will come out. Next, you want to take that and that screw out. So it should separate. This is really dirty. My fuel filter must not be working. So just dump that out. There's a lot of gunk in there, so I'm going to pour some paintbrush cleaner in to clean it out. Okay, this. Now there's going to be something hanging. Okay. So here's some compressed air. I'm gonna see if any stuff squirts out of that. It should. Yep. Let's try the other way. So I'm not really sure why it wasn't getting gas, but so I'm just gonna reassemble it. It should work. Make sure when you put it back together there's no dirt on here, because that will clog it up. And it does matter which way you put it back in. It goes like this. Hold on. Now you just make sure everything looks right. I got the bowl as clean as I could get it. So I got it reassembled. Now you just need to put it back on. Now to put the throttle in, you have to align this slit in it to that screw right there. Wait, not right there. So yeah. So see, it's up, and then I just felt it go in, which means it lined up. So now you can tighten it. Now you can put the fuel hose back on, but I need both hands for this. Okay, I got it back on. Now you want to make sure there's no leaks before you try to start this. It's a little bit wet because when I put the fuel hose on it leaks, but it doesn't seem like it's leaking anymore. So let's try it. Yeah, it runs right now. So I just took it for a ride, and it runs great, and it even idles.